Sweet. Alright, well, yeah, I'm just gonna work on my damn thing, I guess. Alright, there we go. I'm just gonna work on. Okay, so what are we doing? Right, so I am adding there we go. That's probably a good spot. So I'm adding hats. Let's see here. So right now, only hat that we got, I can get this out of my face now. Okay, only hat we have is this Ushanka, or an excuse of an Ushanka. And let's see here. So for like a whole ass day, I was wondering why my RPCs didn't work. I forgot I moved them here, but these weren't working, and I was wondering why. And it turns out that I just didn't inherit from the network behavior class, so I was just being a dumbass. Also, I couldn't just do isOwner. I had to get the player object, and then I had to do .isOwner and shit. And yeah, that was stupid, but yeah, that's cool, I guess. So now I have basically a system. I'm going to call this hat 0. And basically I can make any sort of hat that I desire. I should really be making like these in Blender or something, but whatever. And I can make this like a no, I'm just gonna make it like that or something. And then let's see here, we can put a capsule here. Or not a capsule, I want a cylinder. Cylinder, hey, there we go. Just gonna boom, boom. What could be like a oh yeah, Stalker 2 is releasing, hell yeah. So not on Steam. What the hell? Here we go. Yeah, what the fuck was I talking about? Oh, right. Yeah, so Stalker 2 is releasing this month, which, hell yeah. Can't wait till that's released. Let's see. Shit. You know what would be funny? Never mind, it's not a mesh. Right. Fuck it, I'll just make like 4. Oh, you know what would be extra funny? Shit. I animated it. I did not spell it right. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. Who knows? I don't fucking know how to spell it. Oh well. Whoops. Let's see here. There we go. And this guy, transform, rotation, like this, except now, select that. I did not frick. There we go. And then to keep it from doing that, not you. That's annoying. I feel like there's a better way to do this. Other than, of course, you know, just using Blender. There we go. Shit, I just realized something. By the way, I'm sick. So, you know, pity me. Alright, let's see. I can do that. Then watch this. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be hat 1. Like that. Yep. And then I can go into hat menu, get this button, get that menu, boom, hat menu. And I could set it to the add hat RPC and set it to the index of 1. And then let me just multiplayer play mode, player 2. Wish my friend was awake, he could do this with me. Y'all can't see it, but I actually have a second client on my other screen. Hello, sir. And I can press H, open up this menu. Oh, that's great. That's just awesome. When I got the Ushanka on this screen, I just realized that there's literally no way to disable hats. So you could just have multiple hats, like there we go. And yeah, I noticed on the propeller that that the button didn't have its name on it, so I guess propeller. I have no idea how to spell propeller. How the hell? Okay, let's see here. Propeller. Oh no, I spelled it right the first time, I think. Fuck. There we go. So then if I launch the game, start hose, press H. Okay, yeah. You can see it in the shadow. Nah. You know what? Yeah, let's do it. So I'm gonna make it so that when this happens, oh, you know what? Actually, is it gonna work? I don't know. All right, let's see here. Var H and hat, sure. Why is this? Hello. Thank you. H dot set active false. It might not work because it's on the server. So, you know what? I should probably just do it. Yeah, index. And it's just gonna add hat. Although it has to be add hat, not sned. Send RPC. There we go. I should probably put this code here. And then I actually have to change it on the buttons now, so that's slightly annoying. Add hat integer 0. Add hat integer 1. Okay, cool. Then I'm just going to test it really fast. Alright, I have a piece of code saying that the hat should set active to false and to be fair, I do have a fairly decent reason why I set it to that. But I also just realized another thing. This is only being called on the, there we go. This is only being called on the client is the issue. So if I add another player here, then it's not going to disable their hat. By the way, I'm just going to see what happens. Although I do need to enable this again. Oh, it's done. All right, cool. Hello, sir. So I put on the propeller hat. There's the propeller hat. But if I put on this hat, now it's got both hats. But if we go to here, I do that here. You know, now I've obviously got the propeller hat, and we can see that. And oh yeah, you guys can't see that, can you? But yeah. So, you know, hat 1 is enabled. Now hat 0 is enabled and hat 1 is disabled. You know, it toggles it. But it's not going to show that through the network is the issue. So that means that yeah, we just have to basically sync that across the server. And the way we do that is theoretically, I should just be able to do this actually. No, actually, because this has to be before I enable the hat. Obviously, I can probably get rid of that debug.log too. I know it's working now. Okay, I'm going to here, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna just boom, boom, create empty parent environment. There we go. Now I can move this guy back down. Very nice. All right. Oh shit, I forgot. Multiplayer, play mode, player 2. I don't even know why I'm streaming this. Like, nobody wants to fucking watch me. Nobody cares, bruh. But, yeah. You know what? Can I dock this? I can. That's very nice. I'm going to put it here. Alright, there we go. Hello, sir. I will put on my hat. And then my Ushanka. Yeah, okay, it works now. So yeah, that was pretty easy. Yippee! Okay. Let's see here. Wait, what? Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, then I can of course put on a propeller hat of my own. Or I can switch it to my Ushanka. Oh, yeah, there it is. My friend made this little parkour area, by the way. We both have the GitHub for this project, so we can both work on it. Then I can actually, I'm on my second monitor, by the way, controlling the second player. Oh yeah, you can see me coming up. Hello, sir. I think I'm gonna use the propeller. Oh, I can't see because the damn hat, but yeah. Oh, fuck. But this is cool because then you can better differentiate between players, I guess. I mean, this is really just a messing around thing. I'm just doing whatever, honestly. But yeah, you can see in this one as well. But yeah, it's all synced up. So that's cool. I got that system in. What should we add next? I mean, really, I was kind of hoping my friend would be online today so we could just do dumb stuff together. But doesn't look like that's gonna happen. And I bet he would have some fun ideas. I mean, honestly, I would edit the scene and add cool stuff to it. But it seems like to me that he's, I don't know, that he's probably gonna edit the scene, and if we both edit the scene, like if I edit the scene and then he wakes up and he edits the scene, in GitHub, oh shoot, I can actually do this now. But in GitHub, we would, yes, he isn't like been online for like 19 hours, but I don't know. I'm tired. I'm sorry, guys. I got really good sleep last night. I went to bed at like 8:30, woke up at like 8, but I'm still tired as shit for some reason. But yeah, what does this do? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, there's a ton of new stuff in Unity 6 that I'm just not even used to. What is this? The search bar for the right. Oh, so it's the same thing as this. Ah, okay, there's no point in having that. You could just use this one. Let's see, your compass. Oh, that's the AI navigation, yeah. Tools. What's this? Oh, it's so that you can just quickly adjust. Oh, that's to this. Okay, I'm just stupid. Okay, and that's all these controls. There's, of course, the different shading controls. Very interesting. Indeed. Yeah. As you can tell, it's not a very polygonally complex scene. I mean, which makes sense. We've really just been throwing around primitives in Pro Builder, so. I actually wanted to fix this weird Z fighting, because Pro Builder sometimes does this thing where it just offsets the UVs for no reason at all. It just does it. I don't know why, and it saddens me. Oh, why is this not snapping? Oh, that's why. But yeah, see, look, now it's fine. But again, I can't edit the, what the fuck? Hello? Oh. But you know, I can't edit the scene, because if I upload this and he also edits the scene, then it's going to be a merge conflict. So, yeah. But yeah, it's kind of a fun Neo jump is basically what's there. Because he did most of this scene. I just did, I did this platform, the walls, and also this ramp, and also this thing in the middle of the ramp. It was supposed to be like parkour or something. But yeah, I can just come up here then. Oops. There we go. You can just jump like around it like that. It's not even hard with this player controller. But I ripped off the internet because the whole point of this project is just to mess around with Netcode, not to learn how to make a simple player controller. I already know how to make a simple player controller. Why would I waste time doing it? You know, when I could just import something real fast and, you know, I'm off to the races faster. One less thing to worry about. I mean, that's kind of the whole point of using a game engine instead of just making your own in the first place. Just saves you a ton of work. But yeah, I should mess with Unreal Engine sometime though. Because doing graphics in Unreal Engine is really easy because they have a very large online library of 3D models. And, you know, I'm decent at 3D modeling, I'd like to imagine. I actually don't have any 3D models on this computer, I just realized, because they're all on my laptop, which I'm not using my laptop right now because I left my charger somewhere. But, yeah, I'm on, like, my main PC. That's why I have, like, 2 monitors and stuff, you know. But, yeah, it's cool because there's this thing, and then there's also this thing, and then I can join it as a second player. And then I can just, you know, simulate 2 players, so that's useful. The thing about this second player thing, though, is that it has some issues, because here, for example, let me edit the player prefab by, I don't know, disabling this, something even as minuscule as that. And then I do this. And then oh shit, yeah. And then actually, you know, I'm going to keep that, I'm going to keep that here, actually. I'm just going to make it smaller. So as you can see here, I've started the host. I don't know why it's lagging. Then I start client, and then it has this weird error. This happens whenever I edit this prefab, the player prefab. It says this, and the only way to solve it, well, initially you could do this, which is re-import all, or you could restart the project, or what I eventually found out is that the way to solve it is to just turn this off, which that's why I've been turning this off, and then I have to do this and then wait for it to turn back on every time. And that's because if I don't do that, then it's just going to throw me that error, and then I won't be able to do it. And I don't know why it has that error. I think you should be able to do your prefab and then have it updated in the second player. I don't think that should be an issue. I think that Unity should fix that. So yeah, this is my formal bug report that Unity's never ever going to see. Because literally no one is watching. Yeah, 1 concurrent viewer and it's me. So, yeah. But you know what, that's fine. Because this stream is boring as fuck, I don't blame him. guitar's broken as fuck. Like, look at this. I have to do this, otherwise it sounds rattly. I honestly don't give a shit if anybody watches the stream. I just have some kind of funny moments, I guess, when I am doing shit just in my life, and I don't know. It's just nice to have something recording it so I can look back on it, maybe. Shit, that'll go. Right, that's how it went. There we go. I don't know. If you're calling me a pussy for only using the left side, which is basically just a piano, you're not wrong. Yeah, I mean, I kind of know how to use this. I just don't know any songs that employ this part. So, yeah. Alright, I think I'm done streaming. Maybe I'll stream later if my friend gets on, because then it'll actually be mildly entertaining. But, yeah.